Every year, thousands of workers are injured by one of the most underestimated hazards on the job, walking and working surfaces. But it doesn't have to be that way. Welcome to the Walking and Working Surfaces course, brought to you by OSHA Outreach Courses, your trusted source for workplace safety training. This 15-minute online training is designed to give you the knowledge and awareness to walk, climb, lift, and work without risking your safety. In just under 15 minutes, you'll learn how to identify hidden dangers on floors, ladders, platforms, and ramps. Inspect your work area to spot hazards before they lead to accidents. Use ladders, scaffolds, and stairways the right way safely and confidently. Understand why proper housekeeping isn't just about cleanliness, it's about survival. This course goes beyond basic tips. It arms you with real-world safety practices like proper floor loading, fall prevention systems, and the importance of regular inspections. From loading docks to fixed ladders, from open pits to manholes, you'll know how to spot danger and avoid it every step of the way. Once you complete the training, you'll earn a certificate that proves you're ready to handle walking and working surfaces like a pro. And yes, it's 100% online, mobile-friendly, and self-paced. You can finish it during a break, at home, or on the go. Don't wait until an accident happens. Click the link in the description to enroll now in the Walking and Working Surfaces course from OSHA Outreach Courses.
Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe to OSHA Outreach Courses.